Probably. Good, buddy. I'm glad.
The same handles, but mine's fluffy.
True. Okay. And I mean, it was like, it was great. I mean, it's like
Fluffy bunny.
okay.
Fluffy.
Yeah, in the bathtub.
And then you got pink.
Go.
Just keep going. Here, man.
I couldn't get much eggs. Daddy, help me!
No, buddy, you gotta do it.
You gotta pick the ball.
You ready to go?
Hey, buddy, here. I'll hold your basket.
That was cracked. Okay.
Go right there. Or just keep going right here. You can go right there. Alright, give him a dump.
Alright.
We're not going to be too stingy.
We're done.
No, we're going to go one more time.
Get more.
Oh.
Here, in your basket. Hey, listen. Let the little kids have some too, okay? Don't yank them from your little.
Right there in the middle. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
No, you can.
Look, I got my blue, dark blue.
I know.
Keep going. Just keep going. Here.
Go, baby, get one.
I can't wait to see what's in.
No, don't grab all of them, okay? That's fine.
Alright, get a few more.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah. Daddy, I'm done. Over there. Let's go over there. Here. I'll get all these.
There's Sophia. Go over to Sophia. She's got a bunch over there. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay.
Oh.
Wow! Your bucket is full.
I got 10 of eggs too. This is my last one, okay?
There's some over here.
You can see what's in there. Before I used to make these days.
There's a ton over there.
What? There. There, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom.
Are you done? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for some eggs.
Get some. How much you got?
I got 100. I got $100,000.
$100,000. I wish you had $100,000.
Me too.
Did you see Miss West?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I am.